Einstein said, in my success, 99% contribution goes to my effort, hard work, and 1% goes to my luck only. So it's after all depend on you, all the colleagues, which side would you like to select. Now, one by one, you introduce yourself and we begin the GD. And tell direct your side, don't tell topic. Topic already I have told you.
Good morning, friends. I am on the side of that for a man's success, he needs luck, political support, family background, and money. Because only when he has money, he can further educate himself. No matter how much scholarship the government tries to give, but the 90% people in India are poor and the government can't afford to give all of them scholarships. So if they have money, then they can use that money to further educate themselves, and that is why money is a necessity for becoming successful.
Yeah, my favor is that I am in the favor of hard work, effort, smart work, and confidence.
I am in the favor of hard work, smart work, confidence, and we should have skill to develop ourselves, and it is important for a man's success.
Yeah, I am favoring the hard work, confidence, smart work, and skill.
Hi friends, I am in the flavor of money, political support, and the luck. Because in India many people are poor and the poverty line is so down that every people cannot get education very properly.
Hi friends, I am Vinay and we are gathered here for conducting GD. Our today's topic is what man needs to success, luck, faith, hard work, or luck, faith, or hard work, confidence, or smart work. I am in the favor of hard work, smart work.
Good morning friends, my name is Sarthak and I am in the favor of hard work, smart work, and confidence.
Okay, who one would like to break the ice right now? Who one speak? You would like to speak. Begin your communication.
Yeah, to become successful, opening your aim should be there, because without your aim, no anything can be happened. Because that example of the four friends are there. One is Shyam, second is Ram. Sorry, three friends are there. One is Shyam, second is Ram, and third is Om. The Ram's aim is to open a shop from the childhood. He want to open a shop, he want to open a grocery shop, and by opening so many shops, he want to become a biggest shopkeeper in that village. But then he opened that business, he have more and more profit. Then his friend Shyam say, how profit he? His friend Shyam and Om say, how profit he have, we should open also that business. Then they open that business, but they don't have that much of the income from that shop, because their motto is not to open the shop. They only open the shop because the Ram opened the shop, he has more profit. He only think about the Ram that he opened the shop, he have profit. They only think about the profit, but they don't think about that he invest his money, he invest his skill, he invest his talent, he invest his communication skill. That's why his shops are running so much.
We are discussing here, we want success, and for getting success we need hard work, effort, smart work. Some of you say political support, some of you say money. But my friend, question arises, what is success? The first of all, I would like to put some point on topic success. Success is always doing your best in any field, any faculty, any organization you choose. If you do your best performance is your success for that particular field. Second, Because when you do your best, you feel proud, you feel happy about your work. So many people come to pat your back, they say you really, you perform nicely, you did awesome work, so you feel I am successful, you feel happy. Whenever smile, happiness come on your face, that is your success. Second, success means what? Setting your concrete goal. Your goal should be there. I said effort is very important, hard work is very important for getting success, smart work is very important. But do you have any goal? Without goal, how can you work hard? Where will you work hard? If you have goal before your eye, then for achieving that goal, you will work hard. One philosopher say, what is goal? गोल उसे कहते हैं जो तुम्हारी रात की 2 घंटे की नींद कम कर दे, तुम्हें तुम्हारे उद्देश्य को पूरा करने के लिए रात दिन एक करने की प्रेरणा दे, मोटिवेशन दे, एंथुजियाज्म दे, उसको गोल कहते हैं. तो सक्सेस इज व्हाट? योर कॉन्क्रीट गोल. थर्ड पॉइंट आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन फॉर योर सक्सेस. Success is nothing but if you have ability to bring happiness on others people's face, that is also one kind of success. Success are different kind. Now you are attending the GD, if you speak very effectively, you have a good knowledge, you put such a point, people appreciate it, that is the success of GD. Means success vary in different field, different ways. Who has effort, enthusiasm, wisdom to face the problem, wisdom to understand the problem, wisdom to learn the thing, that person will really achieve success in his life. And for getting remarkable success, my side is what I would like to think: effort, hard work, smart work is very much important. Now my respected friend will speak.
But sir, to get any job, if any 2 people are there to get a job and they both have the same level of degree and same level of skill, we can say one person is more talented and has more skills than the first person. But the second person, who does not have that much talent, he has few connections in the industry and he calls them that I am going to face an interview today and you have to help me. So they both go to the job, and the first one, who was more skillful, he doesn't get selected because he didn't have any connection, even though he was really talented. The second person, who was less talented as per to say, got selected because some of his connections and political connections called the HR manager and told him to hire him. Now that is in the short term. In the long term, if that person is not talented, then you might think that it is a disability and a liability to the company. It is totally wrong, because there are thousands of employees working in that company, and the job of an employee is to do what he is told. And we already know what the teachers in school and college is of no use in our job. So even though that person is less talented and he got the job, he will learn those skills. But the point was that, as you said, effort, hard work and talent is required for success. He was not working really hard to get that job. He was not talented than his peers, and he was not even more skillful than his colleagues. Then he still got selected, and that was the whole point, that he got success in getting that job, not because of his hard work, effort or talent, but because of his political connections only.
But friend, I would like to put my point, then I will give you a chance. But my friend, it's okay that any teacher who get a job after paying 25 lakh rupees in the school, it's okay, he is getting payment of government, he is a teacher, he got a tag as a teacher. But can he really satisfy the student in teaching? Can student will appreciate him? Student will understand him as a real teacher? Only he has a satisfaction. I am a teacher, I am earning 60,000 rupees payment per month, I purchased 4-wheeler, I purchased bungalow, I am a rich man. But for whom he got a post as a teacher, are they satisfied? Students are satisfied with his teaching skill? They are not satisfied. Means on the base of teachership, you got a name, fame, reputation, but for what purpose you selected? You don't have knowledge of it. What's the use of it? Is that life? If he has a real quality, he took a effort, and after effort he got a remarkable success, satisfaction may be different. And if that person has real satisfaction of his job, of his work, and people who are coming in his contact, he is teaching to student. Student are his main motto, and student are not satisfied. What's the use of his post? He may not be satisfied in his entire life. Student may not bless him. Student always abuse him. He is not a proper teacher. He is losing life of student. They curse him. It is not a real success because he does not justify his own job, own profession. He may not be satisfied. It is not because it happened because of lack of effort. He didn't take effort only on the base of money. He tried, he got that job, he got that post, but in reality he is zero because he is spoiling the life of student.
Man need skill and talent for being succeed. Man should have confidence on him. That some people says that nothing is there in our hands. Everything is there in God's hands. This is not correct. If a man has a faith, confidence on himself, so he can be succeed. Like you have said that a man need talent for a success. You have said that there is no value of a teacher who don't has a skill or talent, and he has become a teacher on money, and he was having money, but another person who became teacher, he was having confidence, talent, skill. So student was appreciating him that he is a good teacher, and the another teacher became on his money. So we should have talent, and we should have talent for be a successful person.
Sir, first of all, what you spoke was irrelevant, so I won't consider it. And sir, you said that a teacher, if he gets a job by donation, then students abuse him. But the people who take that donation are the ones who are the administrators of that school. So it's their responsibility that they have to know that if their responsibility is to give education to children and to students, then they have to know that they should not take someone who is giving donation and who has no talent, but they are still taking it. So instead of blaming the donation, the person who is giving the donation, you should just blame the whole system. As they say, don't blame the player, blame the game. So it is the game of life. The success in that particular instance was to get the job. That was the success for both of them. If somebody, and they both were qualified because they both had certain degrees, only then they came to give interview for that job, and they came to give demo for that job. So the person who gave donation, even though he might have been less talented and his teaching skills might have been less than the person who did not give donation, but he still got selected because of money. And to give donation we require money. So indirectly, if you need success to get a job, you require money. Even though if you are talented and you don't give money and donation to them, then they will not hire you, because that is their job. They are just thinking of getting donation so they can then further either reach themselves or make the school better. So you have to blame the game, not the player.
Yeah, I agree.
Give him chance.
Yeah, I am agree with you. You said that the teachers, the school is taking that type of teachers. Yes, but nowadays there are not that much of teachers. Not people are educated and teachers are not much more. So that's why school is taking any teacher. They are talented or not talented, but they are teaching only giving writing on the blackboard and saying to write the students nowadays like that. But you said that the school is that like that the school is
That
taking.
was the point. The point was that to getting a job was successful in that instance, and the person who gave the donation got the job, so he became successful.
But
By
now
math, if A equals B and B equals C, then A equals C. So because of his donation, because of his money, he became successful, not because of his hard work or effort.
I would like to put my point. See, you said he got job. He means he is successful person. He paid donation. He got job. He got job. It is his success. You said it. My friend, it's okay. But success is not. You can't count success only by money, only by post. For what particular post you selected? Are you liable for that post? Are you justifying that post or not? That is called success. If you don't justify your post, you don't teach student properly. Student do not get satisfaction after your teaching. What's the use of your post? For which particular post you are selected, you do not justify your post. Then what's the use of your post? Only use is what? You are nourishing your family and you are getting money and you build a home. That is not a real success. It is a insult of that post. Yeah, after donation, if you take a training, you worked hard, you improved yourself, and you tried your level best to teach student, and you got more extent success in it. You can say you are going properly. You achieved post after donation, but you are going properly. They are making loss of most of generation. Even I experienced it. Some student used to come to the class from Kora. I asked them, why are you so loose in English? They said, our school teachers do not teach us properly. I said them, complain them. We complained, but president of school do not listen. For what particular post they got selection, they don't justify the post. Is it right or wrong?
Yeah, it is. It is right, but as you said already, that if the person who got the job because of donation, then if he improves himself, then that is the justification for his post. So that is the later part. We don't know what he will do, and we don't even know what the talentful person will do. He can stop teaching students and to conduct his own tuition classes. And government is also supporting this fact to get any job in competitive exam. If there are 10 slots available for that job, and if there are 10 people who are working really hard, so then by definition they deserve to get that job. But another 5 people come who apply for the same job. They have same degree, same knowledge, but they have not worked hard enough for that getting that job, but they have donation and political support. So because of that they get job. So the people who were talented, the 10 people, out of them 5 people get selected and 5 people don't get selected. And because of the donation and the political support that other people had, the loss was of the talented people, and this is supported by the government. So if you want to speak about the system, you have to blame the government, not the method of giving donation to get a job.
Yeah, and to become a successful person, sometimes the talent, skill, and our effort plays a main role. that you know the name of the Alexander the Great? Do you know? He was so powerful person in the world. The people say him powerful because he was so talented and he had so good communication skill. When his army was so tired, he communicated with his army and he convinced his army why we want to fight, for what purpose we want to fight, and for what we are going to fight. He convinced the people and that's why the army fight for him. And from childhood and to become a successful, these three things, the skill, talent and communication skill, are so important to become a successful person.
Yes, sir, I agree with you, but
Give
Alexander.
them the chance. Give them all the right chance. I am also giving them.
Yeah, I am agree with you. But you said the political support. The political support is important, but the person who apply for job, they have political support, but they have no talent. Then the talented people was not getting a job. After they have talent, skill, and everything, they have same degree. But degree is not important. The talent is important. After some time, the political support people get the demotions, or they are not liable for the job. He will be rejected. He will be dismissed from the job.
Yes, we all know that there are private schools. There are more private schools than government. And you said that government should be blamed for this system. But in private school, teacher should have skill, talent for teaching, because the money is given by students' parents, and the parents think that it is good school. There are teachers that teach means good, so they have some faith on this. But who have money, so they don't have that much talent. So in government school there are less population than private schools. So there are 10% people who has money, means there are 10 people, but in 90 people who has succeed, they had talent, skills.
Yeah, I am somehow agree and somehow disagree with you.
You give chance everybody, and everybody has their personal duty to take their own chance. No one will give you chance. We are going so away from the topic. Topic is what we needed for real success: effort, hard work, or second point is what? Political support or money. I took my paper was what? Effort and hard work. Sometime before Abhishek said money is very important for remarkable success in life. Okay. See my friend, whatever great man you found in the history, they got success after their effort. Because talent is a natural phenomenon. But to develop your talent and to develop your skill, you need effort and hard work. You want to become a teacher. You are talented. You can grasp knowledge so fast. But for teaching perfectly, you need to take effort on any particular subject on which you want to become a master. And then you can teach nicely. This effort is needed there. You take an example of D.B. Ambedkar. He had no background. He had no money. He had no chance to enter in the school properly because of untouchability problem. Even though because of his hard work and effort and determination, he got such a success in life. We have their photo. We stick their photo in our home. We understand them as an ideal person. And D.B. Ambedkar is ideal person for all of us because of his hard work and effort, not because of money or not because of political support. So I strongly favor the effort is very much important in anybody's life to achieve remarkable success.
Yes, sir, I agree with you, and because of
Sir, I completely agree with you. But there are family issues also. In the family background, there are many problems, just like money. The many people are having talent, but they are facing in the family background. Just like for example, you are given Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. He also faced many problems when he was child or when he grew up in his life. The teachers were not allowing him to teach, sit in the class. That time, money is also very important, and for purchasing books or for many things to do hard work.
Yes, sir, I agree with you. And as sometime before you said about Alexander the Great, he was a king because his father was also a king. If his father was not a king, then he would have not been a king. And as you said, sir, that Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar became a really great person. I admire him and I agree with your point. But only few people, if we count only 0.001% people become that great after, and they are able to survive and thrive the environment that they are in. To become a great king, you require a family background of people who are king. And sir, as you said that people become successful, and and as you said sometime before about the respected late Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So I agree with your point and I respect and admire Mr. Ambedkar, but only few people get to overcome those obstacles that they face in their life. We can see that out of 100 people, only one person can overcome those obstacles in their life. And if we want all the humanity to become successful and to be happy and peaceful and prosperous and rich, then all of them should overcome those obstacles. But that does not happen. So even though if you are hardworking and you have so many efforts and talents, then you will not become successful.
Yeah, I am
Just a minute,
disagreeing
give
with
a chance.
you.
I'm agree with you. Means
If you don't have point, by force don't speak. जबरदस्ती बोलू नका. Don't repeat the same point again and again. If you have genuine knowledge and real point, you definitely put it. You have definitely chance. काहीतरी बोला म्हणून नका बोलू. Don't speak. If you want to speak, I want chance, I got chance, I want to speak, and you repeated the same point again and again. That is not an issue of GD because people will come to watch you, listen you, watch you. They should get some new point. Whenever any person watch online, they should get some new point,
Yes.
remarkable point, so that they learn something from the GD. Okay, if you repeat same point again and again, they feel bored and they don't watch your GD. Is it right? So if you are really point, you put your point.
yes, sir.
I agree with you. Yeah, I am agree with you, but I have to put some point here. There is no need to do hard work if there is smart work. You will do only smart work because there will help you to be success, because the hard work will not completely give you success. You can be in the smart work also. Just like take an example, there is an lift and there is some stairs. What will you choose? Lift. So our 50% people who will choose lift, they will be smart work, and hard work will that who choose stairs.
Correct. Yes.
Yeah, for becoming a successful person, we want to understand the people's mentality. Means example that a person is there, his capability is to be. I am his political supporter, and his capability is to make a small team. But you said him that make a team of 50 people, but his capability is to make a team of 20 people. Then will he do that work?
It depends upon the situation. If he has the mindset of growth, that if I try to build a team of 50 people, then he will try that. Even if he fails, he will learn something out of it.
So you can't say an ant to hold a chair, because the ant's capability is to hold second time or third time more than its or 20 times its weight, but it can't hold a chair. It is more than the 50 times or 100 times than it.
You had put the point that Raja ka beta Raja banega. I think that it is not that reality. In reality, you had know the Chandragupta Maurya. He was a shepherd boy, and the Chanakya was his prime minister. So he had done the hard work, smart work for being a king. You had
I agree with your point also. I also put my point. You find out example in the history. There are numbers of examples. In the beginning they were nothing, but at the end of their life they were a great king, philosopher, doctor, and entrepreneur, woman, businessman. And you see in the history, even you go to see in your city, you find numbers of people are counting in that category who didn't have anything else in the beginning, but later on, because of their hard work, effort, and smart work, they got a remarkable success. I would like to differentiate one point which is said: what is hard work, what is smart work? Smart work is a thing which can be done by your intelligence. Okay, but for getting that kind of intelligence, little bit hard work is required for it. Okay, who want to become a IAS, they spend 8 or 10 hours on the study. They utilize their proper intelligence. After spending more time on the study, they come to know this is the shortest way of study. They understand some techniques, some skill to complete the task within a respectable time, in short time. Then they perform some smart work. Smart work does not come directly. You gave the example of lift and stair. They thought we can invent something new to climb, so that later on they invented. That is called smart work. But smart work came after hard work, after getting idea about it. Okay, you want to speak some point.
Yes. If we see about movie industries, they are giving the chance only to their son or daughter. Just like Twinkle Khanna, her mother was an actor, and her mother means done hard work, or she given means some efforts to the acting, and she became a famous actor in 20th century. And now her daughter means Twinkle Khanna is also an actor, and like Varun Dhawan or means many other actors, they promote their son only for acting purpose.
Only one point I put here. See my friend who got chance luckily because of their parents. How many years they retain in the acting? Who got chance by effort, hard work, they are until on number one position. And who got suddenly chance, luckily chance, they went out of the position. Because by luck, because of your parents, because of your family background, because of political support, you may get chance. But who has real talent, real working ability, hard working quality, who can take nice effort, they retain till the end. By luckily who get chance, by luckily he go out from their task. They don't get earn name and fame in that extent. Who earn name and fame by their hard work and effort. Abhishek would like to speak some
Yes,
point.
I agree with you, but there are many people who have family background and they are still successful in the movie industry. Salman Khan, Amir Khan, Hrithik Roshan, Ranbir Kapoor, Shraddha Kapoor. There are countless examples. But there are only few people who get there by hard work and effort. We can say about Amitabh Bachchan sir, world's biggest movie star and actor Shah Rukh Khan. But in the past era that was successful because there was not that much competition. But nowadays if you try to get into the movie industry by your own effort and hard work, then as they say, there comes 1000 people daily in Mumbai to get into movie industry on the basis of their own hard work and efforts. But how many of them we see in the movies? No one.
I would like to put my
And
yes,
even
you want to complete it.
if somebody gets into the movies like late Sushant Singh Rajput, then because of politics and because of the corporate structure that is there, they try to bring him down. But if you're somebody who has family background like Ananya Pandey, Varun Dhawan, Tiger Shroff, then you get to directly debut in the movie as a lead actor. You don't have to work 20 years for getting that position.
Correct.
Yeah,
You
I
said about Salman Khan, Amir Khan. even they got a family background, they have an effort to retain their quality in the film industry. Because of their quality, because of their hard work, effort to fight against competition, they retain. Salman Khan until maintain his health, personality, it is a part of hard work, smart work. It is a part of his attitude. Because of he is a famous one right now also. So you can't say they got a success only because of their family background. They got debut. Debut means what? Starting by their family background, but they retained because of their hard work, because of their smart work. Yes, you have
Yes,
some
sir,
point.
I agree with you.
If you have some talent,
Sir, I have.
he has talent, he has some new point. You
Yes.
also don't repeat the same point again and again.
Sir, I am
because
not repeating.
people will watch your GD.
Yes, sir.
People should get new point.
Yes, sir.
Akshay Kumar got chance because of his old karma. What he performed before, he was a kung fu player, he was a karate player. What kind of knowledge he had? He had a good he had a good communication skill. He had an acting skill. Then people who watched him, they came to know we have to give him chance. It was not a luck. It was his old effort. He took, and people came to know about his effort. Then he got a chance. Because of your old karma, you can get a chance, not because of luck. You got a chance, it was your coincidence. You don't have any knowledge and suddenly you get chance. Is it possible? Suppose anybody do not have any knowledge and they get a chance because of money. Will he retain in the film industry? So the numbers of people came who belongs to good family, who had a good money, they came. But they retained, they are famous even today. Amitabh Bachchan is famous even today because he came by hard work and effort. Shah Rukh Khan is topmost person in the film industry because he came by hard work and effort. You can take example of Amir Khan. Amir Khan got chance because of his father. It may be possible, but Amir Khan until in number one position because of his effort, hard work and understanding quality. How should I act in the film? He had a quality. Would you like to speak some?
Yes, I agree with you. And but the point of all that is that even if you work hard and become successful, then you are not able to sustain that success. Even if you try to sustain your success, then the people who have family background and political support will bring you down eventually, and you will die or you will fail. So if you have a family background, then even if you get a debut film by your family background, then you will be able to sustain that, and that is the main motto of that point. And many people have in today's society, all the people have crab mentality. They try to grab you down. So if you are just there on your own without any support, then you will eventually lose, no matter how hard you try or no matter how much effort you put in. But if you have a backup system, which we can call your luck, your political support or your family background, then you will surely survive.
Yes, one point I remain. One person said, hard work is the only useful quality in your life which can gain you success. One orator said, if you want to win, dedication to work hard, creativity to overcome your obstacle, ability to plan ahead, and the fortitude to deal with the toe time. If you have that all essential qualities, you can achieve success. Without these qualities, you can't achieve success.
Yes, sir, I agree with you.
Yes, sir, I am agree with you. Sometime before you said about Akshay Kumar, he not luckily get chance. He do some
Initial effort and then he got a chance.
Initial effort.
Do you have any extra point,
Yes,
new point?
yes.
He has new point. New point, if you have new point, then you put. Don't repeat same point again and again.
But you don't say that what initial effort he do. He just he do for the modeling point. That's why he get in the film industry. After the modeling point, he get that film industry.
Yeah, I agree with you. Our peoples are not successful because they are not a leader. Some people are leader, but they are time pass leader. That some people. A leader is that who knows the way, shows the way, and goes the way. The sentence was said by a great writer. Our people don't visualize of future. They only visualize of that what is going on now and what I will get after 2 days, after 3 days. They don't think after of 5 years, 10 years. That's why our Baradi peoples are not successful.
Yes, he has chance.
Yes, sir, I am agree with you. But in every place there is not means the useful of family background. As our Vandile sir, their family background is too bad. But they do a hard work, they do a smart work, and they they have a confidence to become to become a big persons. And from that hard work, they become a such type of big person. In every place there is no need of family background. If we have a knowledge, we have a skill, and we have a technology, then we can become a big person in our life.
Yeah, some peoples are there who don't think that I am reasonable for that mistake. They only think that our company got this loss because of him. They don't think that because the 80% mistake is mine. They only blame the other people. Blaming the other people is so big mistake, because if my pen is fallen and he pushed me, so I think because of I will say to him that because of you my pen is fallen down. But I will not blame to me that because of my mistake my pen is fallen. And we quarrel for that, and in that quarrel we don't improve our mistakes. The mistake is done, but we don't improve it. And some people improve their mistake, but some people don't improve their mistake as much as faster.
I would like to conclude. I say, after taking references of all communication, who one spoke here, you all guys spoke very nicely. Later on I came to know, even today, even right now also I retained on the same point, hard work, smart work and your effort is very much important in your life. Because the person who is one of the famous person in the world right now also, Einstein, he said 99% contribution in your success is your hard work, and take 1% share in your success is your only chance or luck or coincidence, you can say. Only 1%, and that 1% also product of your 99% effort. In the beginning, whatever effort you have taken, result of it, sometime you get something coincidentally. That is my conclusion.
After overall discussion, as in the book Sapiens, you all know Harari said that success breeds success, and most of the successful people become successful only because they have successful family, as we can say as background. And last point I would like to say as a conclusion, that if somebody is telling you that you can become successful only by working hard, then that person is completely lying, because the odds of you being successful by your own effort and hard work are only 5 to 10%. But if you have the MPLF factor, which we call money, political support, luck and family background, then the odds of you becoming successful becomes 90 to 95%. So which one would you choose, 5% or 95%?
So after all,
Give him chance, one by one you take the chance.
I would like to conclude the GD here only, because I completely agree with Abhishek sir that every person is having a background problem, so that money, political support and the luck should be there. Then only the person can be success in the life, and also plus he should have a hard work and a smart work.
after all discussion, My conclusion is like the sir, and my opinion is like the sir.
Okay, yes, you tell the conclusion.
After all discussion, my conclusion is to do hard work and smart work both in our life.
Both important in life. Both are important in life.
So after all our discussion, I want to conclude that most of our success can be achieved by the hard work, smart work, talent, skill, and confidence.
You remain.
I want to after all discussion, I want to conclude that we get success by the hard work, smart work, confidence, and the skill and talent.
Okay, you have last chance. Conclusion. Only conclusion.
Now I conclude the GD, and I think that hard work and smart work and confidence is more important for success.
Today's GD is over. You told your conclusion.
Conclusion, Kisan.
You cannot. It is so much time today. You spoke very nice. It was an awesome GD. Abhishek also put very nice point. Guru also put very nice point. Vivek also tried very nicely. Everybody tried nicely. I think it is a good knowledge which we shared among you all. This knowledge would be helpful for person who are going to watch this GD. And our GD is over today. Later on we will discuss about tomorrow topic.